So as we have learnt about many modules, that is hardware devices like Arduino, many microcontrollers, and as well as some sensors too. So today what we are going to do is we are going to learn about HC5 module, that is Bluetooth module, and GSM module. So let us start with HC5 and GSM. So what is HC5? Think of it like a walkie-talkie that is used for a short distance, and GSM module is a mobile phone which is used for the long distance. So HC5 is a Bluetooth module, and this is a GSM module. So it uses Bluetooth, that is HC5, and the GSM module uses SIM card, as we can see here. So the HC5 Bluetooth module can get the range about 10 to 30 meters, just like the Bluetooth modules which we have in our mobile phone. And but the GSM module here can work from anywhere with the mobile signal. So it is obvious that for HC5 module we need not need any SIM card or any kind of external chips, but to use the GSM module, we need the external SIM card as well as this antenna, which we are will be connecting it to this part of the module. And this Bluetooth can be connected to the nearby mobile phones and laptops, and this can only connect to the mobile towers. And this cannot send any SMS or any message, that is HC5 module. And GSM module can send messages, SMS, and photos also,